Welcome back to the show. You're watching Pree Dis now. The producer Kevin just pinged me and say, yo, Kruddy, we're hungry, so buy some food. You know, in Augusttown, so we have enough like a chill spot, food spot. And Kevin, I have to get some food. Because if you see him, you know so him love food. It's all about Pree Dis. So right now, we're moving on with the show on Lime Comedy Cafe. Ity and Fancy Cat destroy the South Beach Cafe. And you guys need to see the presentation right here on your favorite show, Pree Dis.
I'm going to tell you something. No matter how I change my password, so find a way for going on my phone.
I'm smart like that.
I don't know what, I don't, no matter how I change my try hide my phone and to find a way for going there. Till I want to thank Lime.
Yeah?
They gave me an iPhone S and said, Ity, your relationship secure.
Yeah.
She will not go in your phone again.
Yes.
So all you can them say, Ity, that one is a fingerprint. That means that if on your fingerprint, it now open.
Yes.
I did not know that even when me asleep, she take my finger, press it on the phone, and to see everything. So, if I ever beat that now,
Oh, yeah, no.
Michael Jackson, the glove one now.
Really?
Them great gloves,
Oh,
you're not
yeah.
listening. So me I go sleep now in a gloves.
That's right.
I say when you go in them take your ID, because them tell us say people normally come out
In a
as people name. So somebody look like you glad me the favor nobody. That favor Harry Tandler, that favor Elephant Man, that favor Charity. Where's the favor?
Barrington leave.
Barrington Levy.
I'm about to be at the airport.
What's the only favor you ever love him there?
Yes, you are watching Pree Dis. Remember, we're in Augusttown and you can always follow us on Instagram and on Twitter at Pree Dis Show. Now, keeping the show rolling, Kelissa, she has a song called Tomorrow Never Comes. So you guys need to check out this video premiere. I'm going to just go on par outside of the barber shop, don't it? Pree Dis.
If tomorrow is taken from you, what would you do today? What would you do if tomorrow is taken from you? Where would you go? What would you say? And if right here and right now is all that we got, there's no time for waiting, there's no time to chat. Right here and right now is all that we have. The moment is potent, have to take a chance. What would you do if tomorrow was taken from you? What would you do today? Tomorrow never comes. Tomorrow never comes.
You're watching Pree Dis and it's now time for the healthy living tip of the week, brought to you by who? Sip Spring Water. Listen up, you're watching Pree Dis.
Our skin is the largest organ in our body. Regular and lots of water consumption can improve the color and texture of your skin by helping it build new cells properly. Drinking water also helps the skin do its job, which is regulating the body's temperature through sweating. This healthy living tip brought to you by Sip Spring Water, Simply Sips.
My name is Kruddy. We're here in Augusttown and we're going for the last commercial break. When we get back, we have the top 10 chart. We have a lot more. Let's move forward.